Welcome to mobile photography, mastering ISO and shutter speed. It's time to leave auto mode behind and take full control of your mobile camera. Auto mode often relies on AI to guess the average exposure, leading to noisy or blurry images. Manual mode allows you to capture your artistic vision precisely. Exposure is the total light reaching your sensor. It's a balance between the intensity of light and how long the sensor collects it. Too much or too little leads to over or underexposed photos. ISO controls the sensor's sensitivity to light. Think of it as a way to boost the signal from the light that is already reaching the sensor. Higher ISO increases sensitivity, but also introduces digital noise or grain. Keep your ISO as low as possible for clean shots. Use higher ISO only when necessary, like in very dark conditions. Shutter speed controls the duration the camera's eye stays open. This determines how long light hits the sensor. Fast shutter speeds freeze time, capturing sharp action. Slow speeds show motion and blur movement. For speeds slower than 1/60th s, use a tripod to avoid camera shake. ISO and shutter speed are the key elements of the exposure triangle. Changing one setting means you must balance the other to achieve perfect exposure. Match your settings to your environment and goal. For freezing action, use a fast shutter speed. For capturing glow with low grain, use a low ISO and a slow shutter speed on a tripod. To start, switch to Pro or Manual mode in your camera app. iPhone users may need to download a third-party app, like Halide Mark 2, ProCam 8, or Adobe Lightroom. Manual mode gives you control over your creative intent, leading to consistent photos and clean, low ISO night shots. Auto mode often results in inconsistent brightness and grainy images. For your first lab, practice freezing and blurring a spinning object. Use 1/1000th s for a sharp image and 1/30th s for blur, adjusting ISO to maintain exposure. In Lab 2, shoot a clean portrait in the dark. Light a candle, set the ISO low, around 200, and slow down the shutter speed until the skin is properly lit. Lab 3 involves drawing with light using a slow shutter. Keep your phone steady, set ISO to 100, and use a shutter speed of 5 seconds while drawing with a flashlight. You are the driver now. Remember, ISO is your light volume knob. Be aware of the grain. Shutter speed is your time controller, allowing you to freeze or show flow.